Hi guys, one of the easiest meals to cook in the camp oven is cottage pie. So I've got mine in a tray with some coals underneath it to maintain the heat. All we need is some carrots, some onion, and without slipping off, 500 grams of premium mince, and we'll stir that around. I'll wait until that's browned off. Okay, that's nicely browned off. Onions are going well and the carrots are a little bit softer, so what we're going to do is we're going to add some drained peas, a couple of cans of drained corn, and then we're going to add the old Cottage Chef's cupboard cottage pie mix. That'll do. Give that a good mix around, and what I'm going to do just to help is going to get a little splash of water just to help me mix it up. Right, well, we've had that on for about 15 minutes. That's looking good. So now add a bit of salt, not much, a bit of pepper, and now Deb. And you can muck around with potatoes if you like. We just use Deb. It's quick, it's easy. Now we spread that over the top. This is not going to be cordon bleu. It's going to be basic because we're camping. Give it a tidy up. Doesn't have to be neat, you're camping, guys. That'll do. Shredded cheese. We'll wrap the lid on, put some coals on, see how we go.